The secrets of magic are actually almost as interesting, if not more so, than the tricks themselves because of what they tell us about the human brain. So here's a very simple but beautiful trick. I have a coin. Can everyone see? And I'm simply going to place the coin in my hand like this, and just, maybe give it a little weight. I'm going to make it very, very small, so small that you can't really see it. Okay? And then if I want, I suppose I could bring it back like this. Okay? Oh. Now I'm going to explain this to you. I'm going to take you behind the scenes. I'll do it one more time just so you can see. It looks pretty convincing, right? I really think the coin is in here, but what am I actually doing? Palming. I cheated, all right? But what makes this trick so powerful? What sells it? What sells it is that the neurons in your brain that are processing the image of the coin are still firing for a split second after the hands separate. So you get what neuroscientists call a positive afterimage. You actually see the coin for a split second. Here, I'll do it this way. After the hands separate. I like the way magicians call it getting a good burn. I think that's a cool phrasing. This is cool because it shows us that our mind lags behind reality by a certain finite amount. And it may not even be continuous. It's quite possible that our mind is a series of discrete events that only appear continuous after the fact, much the way that a film or an animation has this illusion of continuity, but is in fact a series of still images spliced together. And I think that's a pretty neat idea.